In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import items in bulk in Zoho Books. Whether you're updating your inventory or adding a whole new range of products, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring it's as seamless and stress-free as possible. First, let's start by navigating to the Items module. This is located in the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, select the Items section. This is your central hub for managing all your products and inventory details within Zoho Books, so getting comfortable navigating here will really pay off in the long run. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a More icon, which appears as 3 dots. Go ahead and click on this icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, you will want to select Import Items. This is where you'll begin the bulk import process, allowing you to bring in multiple items all at once, saving you the time and effort of entering them individually. When the import page opens, take note of the sample file link provided. Click this link to download a template file. This template is incredibly useful because it clearly outlines the required columns and format needed for your data. Think of it as a roadmap that ensures you structure your data correctly, preventing any errors or upload issues later on. Once you've downloaded the sample file, it's time to populate it with your own item details. Open the file in your preferred spreadsheet software and carefully fill out each column according to the format given in the template. Pay close attention to column headers and the type of data that belongs in each one. Supported formats for this file include CSV, TSV, and XLS, so choose the format that best suits your needs or your existing data setup. As you fill in your item details, double-check for consistency and accuracy. This step is crucial because any mismatches or errors in data format can cause problems during the import process. A good practice is to save your work frequently to avoid losing data, especially if you're dealing with a large volume of items. After you've completed entering all the necessary information, save your file in one of the supported formats. Now you're ready to upload this file into Zoho Books, streamlining your product management and enhancing your operational efficiency. By following these steps closely, you can effectively manage your inventory by importing items in bulk, which is a huge time saver. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy importing. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more useful tips on managing your Zoho Books platform.